The typical workday is suddenly no longer typical. The office needs you to work from home. But what about productivity? Access to all your corporate computer apps? And your data? Is it as secure as it is in the office? The UD Pocket is the office, from anywhere, connecting you quickly and securely to the company network using a micro USB stick. IGEL's UD Pocket takes virtually any computer available and transforms it into an ultra-secure, centrally managed workstation. With IGEL OS and required software running from the UD Pocket, you're quickly on your way to the exact workflow you're used to. All the software, peripherals, and the most graphically demanding applications. Even from home, you're on an endpoint device that's entirely managed, configured, and secured. Whether the apps, data, and desktop are from Citrix, VMware, Microsoft, or Amazon, you're covered. Should you need support, your company's IT staff can use the IGEL solution to remotely shadow and assist without requiring you to install or configure complicated software. And your personal computer returns to its original setup when the UD Pocket is unplugged. Whether it's for emergency use during a pandemic or just one part of your mobile office strategy, you can work as productively and securely as ever, from keyboard to cloud. For more information about IGEL's Work From Anywhere solutions, go to our website at igel.com/UD Pocket.